Q3 earnings just got released right now. Again, it's December 21st, 2021. The conference call will be at 5:30 p.m., roughly about in 18-19 minutes. You can go to BlackBerry Investors webpage to pull up the numbers yourself if you want to. Scroll down to financial reports and click on Q3, which I already have, but I'll just click on it right now, or actually just pull it up anyway. December 21st, 2021 right here. Total company revenue came in at $184 million. That beats analyst expectations, which was averaging around $177.25 million. So that beats expectations. It is a quarter-over-quarter growth. Last quarter, Q2 for September 22nd, 2021, it was released on. It was at $175 million, so that is good. And then also IoT revenue went back up to $43 million, so that is good quarter-over-quarter growth, because the previous quarter in Q1, which was announced on June 24th, 2021, was at $43 million. So we did see that small dip, but that is primarily due to chip shortages, because that affects the vehicle manufacturing side, which is a big portion of this sector for BlackBerry stock. Let's see. So we got cybersecurity for previous quarter at $120 million. This current quarter, $128 million. So that is growth as well. So we're seeing cybersecurity revenue growth. So that's awesome. Licensing and other revenues is at $13 million, and that is primarily due to the patent sale has not been completed yet. And previous quarter is $12 million. But this is minute. It's not really a big deal. And we have Gaap numbers diluted to, so basically 5 cents loss per share, earnings per share, and analyst expectation was at 7 cents. So it beats analyst expectations in terms of earnings per share, in terms of that aspect. So overall, we have an earnings beat. And there's one other thing is too, one thing I forgot to mention, year over year, it's a year over year decline, unfortunately. So if you look at last year's Q3 results announced on December 17, 2020, earnings per share for Gaap revenue, because they're announcing Gaap revenue moving forward as well, it came in at $218 million. So if you're looking at this is in Gaap numbers as well, $184 million, obviously a decline year over year. So, but keep in mind, the patent sale is affecting this greatly, because during that time, the patent revenue numbers were not being affected quite yet during this time, but right now it is being affected, because usually I think they're bringing in about 50 to 60 million per quarter for the amount of patents total. This is a small, minute number, because some patents are still being licensing during this time, but the amount of the patents that they're selling right now is a huge chunk of this portion. So we'll see what happens. I'm sure Chen will mention the patent sale in this conference call even before being asked. And I'm going to be listening to the conference call, and then writing notes again after I re-listen to the audio replay back, and then hopefully posting a video tomorrow or after tomorrow. If you like this video, find it helpful, consider dropping a like. It does help the channel, so thank you so much for that. Consider subscribing if you want to be notified when I do upload the next video. And quick disclaimer, like always, by the way, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. Everything I do share with you is just my opinion. It is not advice. So please do your own due diligence and research before buying and selling. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.